Okay, guys, so we get to the first task here, that is task 13A. And then the task is to create a new document, open the file text1.rtf, change the document heading to Winter Weather Forces Schools to Close. Save the document as task 13A. Very simple, very straightforward. Right, so what are we going to do now? Straight up, we are going to head to a desktop. On the desktop, that's where we have it. You go to my chapter 13, double click, and it opens. And then I'm going to look for my source files. So I'm looking for text1.rtf. So that's the text we're going to be um, editing. Okay. So I'm going to double click to open that. And now, right now, this file is actually saved as RTF extension, that's rich text format, okay, and not actually a document format, okay. So what are we going to be doing here is to follow the instruction. Let me show you. Let me bring it up again real quick. The instruction says, change the document heading to Winter Weather Forces Schools to Close. All right, so there are two ways you can actually perform that. You can actually come here and then put your cursor there and delete this. Then you type in what in the name winter, okay, winter weather, okay, forces schools to close. All right, then you enter. Okay, so that's one way you can perform that. Otherwise, you can do it this way. So that was the initial text. You can do it this way. Come down here, come here, and then except you have a soft copy like what I have here, you can just come and copy, left click, and drag over, and then you copy. Then you come to my Word document. I select this, then I paste it. I don't just paste, but I now. But if I don't directly paste, see what happens. Okay, I'll undo. I'll say right click, then keep text only, and this. Okay, remove that, and then enter. So that's another way of performing that. Okay, so we're not done. What was the second part of the task? The second part says that we should save the document as tax 13A. All right, so we're going to be saving the document as tax 13A. We get back there again. All right, we go to our file, then we go to save as. So when we are saving as, we're going to be saving a copy of this particular document with another extension, another file name. So I say save as. Okay, when I'm going to this, so I go to my this PC, or I can browse it. So I'll be very sure. Yes, I'll be very sure. It's on desktop. On desktop, what you call it? My chapter 13. I double click, and I want to put it on my work file folders. Please be very careful. This is where a lot of students make mistakes. Work file folders. Then I double click, and then I'm going to save it. Or right now we save as text one. I'm going to change the name to what? Tax 13A. Tax 13A. And now the file extension, the file type is actually saved as type, rich text format. That's the one that was used with the default text. But let's change it to a document, or change it to a Word document extension like this, and then I save. Okay, all right. So now looking up here, that's 13 is being saved. Okay, so I'm going to close this, and then let me go to my folder to be sure. Okay, that is actually there. Source source files, work files. I open it. I have tax 13 here. Okay, let me go back again to my source files. Now the text one RTF is there. Okay, so you see that there is no destructive editing. The original document is still there. The RTF is still there. And then we come to our work file. We have the new document that have been created. All right, so see you in the next video.